Hello everyone. Last time children we were discussing dimensions and measurement in basketball game. Number 13 point is timeout duration. Timeout duration only we can take 1 minute. When both teams are tired, then we ask for timeout for the rest period. It is also called charge timeout. Number 14 point is officials. We require 7 officials in basketball game. One referee, one umpire, one scorer, one assistant scorer, one timekeeper, one 24 seconds operator, and one table commissioner. So these are 7 officials in basketball game. This is basketball court. The playing court shall rectangular, flat, hard surface, free from obstructions, whose dimensions shall be 28 meter length and 15 meter, measured from the inner edge of the boundary lines. All lines shall be drawn in white color. 5 centimeter in width, it means this 5 centimeter in width and clearly visible. Boundary lines, it means sidelines and the end lines are not part of the playing court. Next is center circle, center line. This one is center circle and this is center line, which this center line which shall be divide the court into 2 equal halves. First is back court and this one is front court. Back court means this one defensive court and this one is front court. The center circle and the semicircles with their center at the midpoints of the free throw lines shall have the radius of 1.80 meter. Radius is 1.80 meter and full 3.60 meter. Long free throw line shall be drawn parallel to each end line. This line is free throw line. The team's three field goal area, this line is 3-pointer line and this one shaded area, this area is 3-pointer area. This is restricted area. This area, full area is 2-pointer area. This line called sideline. This line is end line. Both end line and both sideline. Except the area near the opponent's basket limited by the including. 2 parallel lines extending from the perpendicular to the end line with the outer edge 0.90 meter. This one sideline to 3-pointer line. This distance is 0.90 meter both side and here also both sides 0.90 meter from the inner edge of the sidelines. And arch of radius 6.75 meter. 6.75 meter. This is middle point of the ring. This point is the end line to midpoint distance 1.575 meter and this midpoint to 3-pointer line 6.75 meter. An arch of the radius, this one an arch of the radius measured from the point on the floor the extend center of the opponent's basket to the outer edge of the arch. The distance of the point on the floor from the inner edge of the midpoint. Which one point? Midpoint of the end line is 1.575 meter. The arch is joined to the parallel lines. The three-pointer line is not part of the three-point field goal area included in that. The two throwing lines of 0.15 meter in length shall be marked outside the playing court, with the outer edge of the lines 8.325 meter. Which one area? And line 2 three-pointer line 1.575 plus 6.75. So this area is this end line 2 in between three-pointer line distance 8.325 meter, and end line 2 free throw line, this one is this line, and this line distance 5.80 meter.